we want to integrate sec 4 theta tan 4 theta with respect to theta. We have a standard integral that tells us that the integral of sec x tan x with respect to x is sec x plus a constant. We also know that if y is sec 4x, then using the chain rule, dy dx is sec 4x tan 4x multiplied by the differential of the inside function, which is 4. So we've multiplied by 4. We know that integration is the reverse process, so we're going to divide by the differential of the inside function. Therefore, the integral of sec 4 theta tan 4 theta with respect to theta is going to be sec 4 theta plus a constant, but we need to divide by the differential of the inside function, and dividing by 4 is the same as multiplying by a quarter.